this painting is made by Tursunai. She is with us, and this is very beautiful painting. You can look at that. It's a very beautiful painting, and now she will tell us about this.
These are two more. Like this one, it looks very beautiful.
Yeah,
Also, you can see
this
this
one.
and we have more this color. And now she will explain like just one for us.
Yeah.
Shtutan
Bu har bir rassomni o'zini ichki hislati bo'ladi. Har bir insonni ichki holati bo'ladi. Hammamiz ichimiz, qalbimiz go'zal. Bu ichimizdagi ko'ngil bog'lanishlardi. İçimizdagi go'zalliklardan men shuni shunaqa qilib tasavvur qildim va endi buni qarab, ko'rgan tomoshabin o'zi qarab his qiladi. Mana shu ranglarni qarab, ichidan qarab yaxshilab qarasa, hamma inson go'zal, hamma inson qalb toza. Qalb bir. Shunaqa ichki nimamiz qalbimiz. Qalb bor.
Rahmat.
Rahmat.